Hi everybody, my name is Ardie from Nova Scotia, Canada. I'd like to do this here song I wrote, and it's called No Time Clock Required. No time clock required. I don't need no time clock when I'm loving you. Your time is healing in what you do. Oh, darling, oh, so smooth, just like magic, yabba-dabba-doo. Putting in overtime, oh, that's for sure. The more time I have, I still want more. Aiming for many a home run, I'm gonna hit home base. Oh, loving you, baby, puts me in my place. I don't need no time clock when I'm loving you. Oh, your time's healing in what you do. Whoa, darling, oh, so smooth. Oh, just like magic, yabba-dabba-doo. Next time with you is later tonight. Let's do an encore before daylight. I better watch my back, I wouldn't want to put it out. Baby, I know you could fix it, I have no doubt. I don't need no time clock when I'm loving you. Oh, your time is healing in what you do. Whoa, 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 darling, oh, so smooth, just like magic, yabba-dabba-doo. Oh, you're just like magic, yabba-dabba-doo. Thank you.